Welcome back to Foodie Mondays! So for today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a very easy and simple gourmet pasta with just 3 ingredients straight off your pantry. So since we're all on lockdown, very easy lang yung ingredients natin. Lahat yun makikita natin sa bahay. Like for pasta, just cook it lang as per package instructions. And if wala kayong pasta spaghetti, you can use any kind of pasta. Instant noodles sa bahay nyo, hindi nyo lang of course gagamitin yung package. Just use the noodles itself and siguro mga 2 minutes lang na pag-cook para medyo al dente pa siya. Al dente means firm, pero it's cooked. Like this one, so 8 to 9 minutes is okay na. Then we have our garlic. I use 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Thinly slice it. So, kayo na bahala if gusto nyo ng mas garlicky siya. Pero 3 to 4 cloves or 5 cloves is okay na. Just hiwain nyo lang siya ng maninipis. Of course, we have our fried sardines. So, for this variant, I just chose yung hot and spicy. Pero if wala kayong hot and spicy and oil, you can choose any kind of sardines. Hindi kailangan same brand or anything. Whatever you have sa mga bahay nyo, pwede na yun. Especially ngayon, di ba, we can see sardines everywhere. Talagang pinamimigay siya as relief goods and easily bought din siya sa mga stores as well as sa grocery. So, we can easily make this recipe. Alright, so as part of our first step, which is preparing our ingredients, since we already have our pasta that's already cooked, meron na rin tayong garlic na slice natin. Next one is yung sardines. So, lagay ko lang siya dito. So, ayan. As you can see, ang dami niya, di ba? I think one person is 2 to 3 sardines is okay na. So, for each can, pwede na siyang mag-serve ng up to 2 to 3 person. So, what we'll do, since, di ba, may mga bones siya sa loob, detebone lang natin sila. Kasi, ayaw mo naman na when you eat your pasta, may mga parang maliliit na buto kang makakain. And our fourth ingredient pala, if you have any herbs sa bahay nyo or may mga herb garden kayo or may tanim kayo na mga halaman like parsley or oregano that's fresh, pwede nyo rin siyang ilagay. Pero if wala, okay lang naman. So, after nyo i-debone yung sardines, just have to flake it. Huwag nyo siyang dudurugin. Paghiwa-hiwalayin nyo lang siya. Since, syempre, diba, buo-buo sila pag nasa can. So, our ingredients are ready. So, lutuin na natin sila. Okay, so, fry lang natin yung garlic. If meron kayong olive oil, you can use olive oil or canola oil or basically any oil na you have sa bahay nyo. Okay lang. Healthier lang yung olive oil or canola oil. For this one, I just use canola oil. And then, straight na natin yung pasta. And then, yung sardines. So yes, diretso na siya. Unlike others na inuuna natin yung sardines, for this one, diretso na. Sama mo na yung pasta. And optional yung pag-include ng oil na kasama ng sardines. Since I like it spicy, sasama ko siya. Kasi nandyan din yung spices niya, like pepper and whatever is included dun sa pasta. So, just cook it for a minute or 2. Then, prepare na natin siya. That's it for today's episode, guys. You can share this recipe to your friends and family. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you won't miss a thing.